Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can set up your email signature in Pipedrive CRM. This is useful for branding your emails professionally and providing your contact info. So the first thing that you will have to do is click your profile icon, which is on the top right corner of your screen, and you will just have to click personal preferences. And once you're here, you will have to select your email, so it should be somewhere right here. So yeah, once you've selected it, and you should see the signature section here, and from there you will create your signature by adding your name, your position, your contact information, your company logo if needed. But you do have to make sure first that you've actually entered the right or a proper email for this account so that you will be able to actually see the signature option. So yeah, you will just have to format the signature by using formatting tools to stylus the text and adding links, colors, and social icons. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.